Alright, here we go, guys. It's pretty yellow for sure.
Tastes like Nasi Kuning?
Yeah?
Okay, me and Sarah are gonna try it now.
It smells really good.
Yeah, it looks really
Smells
good.
kind of like chicken.
Ready?
Like in a good way.
That's good. I'm
That's
gonna
really
taste
good.
the flavor well. It tastes almost the exact same as Indonesia.
It tastes really good. Thanks, guys.
That's way awesome.
That's so pretty.
Yeah, look at that thing. Lift it up a little bit higher. There you go.
It's kind of heavy.
It's cool, guys.
That's really
It's nice.
pretty.
It's cool. Check out these little flowers made out of the peppers.
Yep.
Those are cool.
Is it authentic?
Looks pretty authentic.
I mean, because you guys know what it's supposed
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It looks good.
It's great, man.
Good.
For sure.
But you don't have to do all of this. Like, you can make the rice and you don't have to make
Yeah, you could just make it in a bowl.
Yeah.
This is
Eat
like
it.
for special occasions, like for
Yeah.
celebration.
Yeah, for birthdays or other kind of celebrations. Alright guys, that'll do it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hope you guys have a great day.
And keep
Keep smiling!